Upgrading your computer's memory can feel like giving it a new lease on life. And that's exactly what the CMS 32GB DDR4 kit aims to do for Dell Inspiron 3891 owners. This kit comes with two 16GB non-ECC DMM modules, operating at a speed of 2,666 MHz. The installation process is generally straightforward, especially for those familiar with desktop hardware. The modules are a direct replacement, ensuring compatibility with the specified Dell Inspiron model. The peace of mind that comes with Computer Memory Solutions guarantee is a definite plus. In terms of performance, the upgrade to 32GB of RAM can significantly improve multitasking capabilities and overall system responsiveness. Users can expect smoother performance when running multiple applications simultaneously or working with large files. For gamers, this upgrade can translate to reduced loading times and a more fluid gaming experience, especially in memory-intensive titles. It's worth noting that the product appearance may vary from the images shown, but this doesn't affect the functionality. The limited lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects provides long-term assurance, making this a worthwhile investment for extending the lifespan and improving the performance of your Dell Inspiron 3891. Just make sure to buy it directly from Computer Memory Solutions to ensure you are eligible for the warranty.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.